Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy only filter cell in Excel shortcut. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. First here I apply the filter on this data. Simply select the heading of this data and you can use here the shortcut key Shift Control L to apply the filter. Then I filter the sum region. To filter a region, you can use here the arrow key to select the any cell here. Okay, right arrow, left arrow. Okay, then I select here the region. Then you can use here the Alt down arrow to open the drop down list. Then select the select all option and press the space and you can see all option is deselect. Now you can select the using the space. Okay, select it. Just use arrow key, down arrow, up arrow. Select it. Just press the space key button of keyboard. Okay, and then press the enter key. Okay, and here you can see your data is filtered. Now to copy this data, you just simply select the entire data, select the first cell of this data, then press the shift and select the right arrow to select the data. Okay, then down arrow, and that's it. Your full data is selected. After that, use the Control C to copy this cell, then use the Alt semicolon to copy only filter cell. Then select the cell where you want to paste. So I select here and use here the Control V to paste the only filter cell. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.